Customers crave convenience and flexibility, and a one-size-fits-all subscription model doesn't deliver. Give your customers the freedom to buy how they want with just a few clicks. Sticky.io subscriptions lets BigCommerce merchants process one-time purchases, recurring orders, and mixed carts, all through the native BigCommerce checkout. Whether you're adding a new subscription offer or updating your product catalog, do it all directly within the BigCommerce portal. Create flexible billing cycles, from standard to seasonal schedules. Offer discounts and promotions, and let your customers manage their own subscriptions. After checkout, Sticky.io gives you tools to stop churn and boost revenue, like automatic retries for failed transactions and business insights across the entire subscription lifecycle. Unlock your recurring revenue potential and get started today with Sticky.io subscriptions for BigCommerce.